Greetings everyone, my name is Tony Holowitz, and in this tutorial I want to talk to you about installing or downloading the ACT integration that works with Microsoft Outlook. So to do this, I want to show you a few steps you should go through. First, I have ACT Premium Cloud on my computer screen right now. If you currently have a previous version of the ACT Outlook integration installed, I would recommend you remove it first because there's a good chance there's a newer version. So how do you do that? Well, first, you're going to come down in the search box and you're going to go to the control panel. And I'm just starting to type in the word control, and you'll see right here it's control panel. So I'm going to go there. When it pops up on the screen, I'm going to go to programs. I'm going to click on right here, uninstall a program. And it's going to take me inside the program area. Now here I see I have ACT Web Integration. Now what I suggest you do is you make note or take a screenshot of the version you currently have. There's a chance you might download the same version that's already here, but it's just a step. So uninstall the current version of ACT integration. Once you've done that by right-clicking on it or clicking on uninstall, once you've done that, you can minimize this, come back here, and now you're prepared to install the ACT integration again. So sometimes it's beneficial to uninstall the version even though you might reinstall it. Having said that, what do you need to do? Well, first, you need to know a little bit of information. You need to know your password for logging into ACT. So assuming you know your password, you're going to come up and click on Tools. You're going to click on Synchronize with Outlook. To the right, you'll see it says Download ACT Integration. I'm going to click on that. This box will pop up. You're going to type in your password and click OK. Now, this process might take a little bit of time, so be patient. I've seen it take 1 to 2 minutes on occasion. Once you go through this process, over here in Microsoft Edge, I have the ability to see my downloads. So I can get into my downloads, but the keyboard shortcut, if you're not sure how to do that for all the browsers, is Control J as in Jack or John. Control J. So by doing that, it exposes my downloads. Here's the ACT integration setup. You can either go inside the folder and start it there by double-clicking on it, or you can just click on Open File, and it will start the process of running the software. So once you run the software, the next step is to go through and do some settings. And I'm going to talk about the settings in my next tutorial. But the first step is downloading and installing the ACT integration. Once you get that done, go on to video number 2, and I'll show you how to go through some of the setup. Thank you so very much. You have a great day, and I hope you are well. Bye now.